Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to solve exercise of unit number 6 and name of this unit is solids, liquids and gases. Choose the correct answer. Which of the following is not a state of matter? Solid, liquid, oil, gas. And the answer is oil. Everything on earth is made of tiny particles, parts, space, solids, and the answer is particles. Ice, water, and water vapors are made of water particles, solids, liquids, gases, and the answer is water particles. Which type of matter has a fixed shape and a fixed volume? Solid, liquid, gas, particle, and the answer is D, particle. When wood is burned and turns into ash, what type of change has taken place? Change of state, chemical change, physical change, none of above. And the answer is chemical change. Fill in the blanks. Matter is made up of tiny particles. The particles in a solid are packed very closely together. The particles in a liquid are packed loosely together. They can flow. In a gas, the space between particles are bigger. Match the definition in column A with the correct term in column B. A change in which new substances are formed, chemical change. A change of state but no new substances are formed, physical change. Everything in the world that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Mark these sentences with tick or cross. Particles move, true. Particles in a gas are packed tightly together, wrong. A liter of water is more when it is in a 5-liter container, wrong. Particles in orange juice are packed less closely than those in orange ice lolly, true. Ice melts into a gas, wrong. Answer this question. What is matter? Everything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. What is the difference between a solid and a liquid? Solids have definite shape and volume. Particles of solids are closely packed together, while liquids do not have definite volume but do not have fixed shape. Liquid do have definite volume but do not have fixed shape. Particles are not packed together so closely. Do the particles in a liquid stay in one place? No, the particles in a liquid move freely so they can flow. Do liquids have a fixed shape? Explain your answer. No, liquids do not have fixed shape. They take the shape of containers they are poured into. Why is it not a very good idea to use aerosol sprays? Aerosol sprays contains chemicals that harm the environment, so they should not be used. Why is it not a good idea to dispose of oil down drains or into lakes and rivers? Oils do not dissolve in water. They can block drains. They form a film on water and can harm wildlife and plants.